Almost everyone has heard of Albert Einstein. He was a genius who developed one of the pillars of modern physics. This pillar is called the theory of relativity. The other is quantum mechanics, but we will be talking about the theory of relativity. The theory has two postulates. The first is that the speed of light will always be the same. It doesn't matter where you are, how fast you're going, or the speed of the source of the light. In the early 1800s, people realized that light had many wave-like properties. Waves are disturbances that travel through mediums, like if you take a stone and drop it in water. They thought that since light was a wave, that it needed a medium too. They called this the luminiferous ether. Physicists A. Michelson and Edward W. Morley set up an experiment to see how the ether affected the travel of light. They used a device that sent light into a half-silvered mirror so the light would be split on different paths. On two of the paths, there were mirrors that would reflect the light back. On the third path, there was a detector. They continuously got the same results no matter what environment they tested it in. If the ether affected the light, they would have gotten different results each time. The second postulate is that the laws of physics are the same in each reference frame, as long as the speed and direction stays the same. A reference frame is a point that someone makes observations from. For instance, looking at something from a distance.
If you look at something from far away, it will look a lot smaller than if you looked at it from close up.
Einstein said that the laws of physics stay the same as long as it is a constant speed and direction, or if the reference frame is inertial. If the speed or direction changes, the laws change. For example, riding in a car. If the car is moving at a constant speed and going straight, everything in the car remains stationary as it would if the car wasn't moving. But if the car speeds up, stops, or turns, things move around. Albert Einstein was one of the most important scientists to ever lived, and his theory is one of the most important theories to have ever been theorized. He thought of this amazing theory at the age of 16 in a thought experiment. I find that absolutely incredible, but everything is possible, just as it is relative.